Alright, friends, pyros, people alike, I am back at the Fireworks Superstore here, and I have moved a grand total of about 16 inches. Because why walk anywhere? I gotta film this stuff, but I gotta pump out videos, so yeah. Safe to say, I know how to do the Spectrum thing. Sin City, 17 shots, $13.99. Cutting Edge, $11.99, 20 shots, Monster Bashing. Alright, here's how we're going to do this here. Left to right, we got Motor Mouth, $17.99. We got Luna Chick. It's a freaking baby chick. God, why does everything make me laugh? It's so stupid. Luna Chick. It's supposed to be lunatic. Do you get it? God, my wife's going to be like, you're stupid. Anyway, 9 shots, $5.99. Yes, that is the voice I use for my wife. She hates it. $17.99 for Motor Mouth. Pause the video and look at how many friggin' shots if you want to know. I can't find the shot count and I don't know. That's your problem. $7.99 from, what is it, World Class. Left to right, Angry Wife. Yeah, I've seen that before. I mean, not that, but my wife's pretty short. She can't really reach my throat. $11.99, 16 shots. Land of the Free. $11.99. That is... It's a shot count that I can never find. That's okay. Monkey See, Monkey Do. 16 shots. $15.99. Down here, we got Pit Crew. 25 shots, $15. And then we have Natural Instinct. 15 shots, $10.99. If you don't have a pit, or if you think pits get a bad rap, go ahead and like this video. My sister has a pit, and he's the nicest freaking dog I've ever met in my life. His name is Tucker. He's got a fat head. $10 for XOXO. 19 shots. Bangin' booty. Like my wife. Thank you, Jesus, for letting me find her. 108 shots. $16.99. Dogfight. 16 shots. $15.99. Poreo Villa. 16 shots. $6.49. Killer Panda. $10. 50 shots. When Pigs Fly. $14.99. 64 shots. Evil Clown. What did I say? It's everywhere. That stupid clown is everywhere. $7.99. Maybe it's just the Cutting Edge thing. I don't know. 16 shots. What else we got? Happy Clown Bomb. The clown does not look happy whatsoever. $13.99 for a shot count that Cutting Edge doesn't want to share with me. Rage. 17 shots. It's a big ass gorilla. Bug-Eyed. $16.99. Talking Smack. $7.99. Bombs Away. 16 shots. $13.99. Pitbull. $16.99. 20 shots. Angry Beaver. It does look like an Angry Beaver. 14 shots. $18.99. Stupid artwork. What do we got? Dark Ghost. $3.99. It's a little baby thing. Bomb Chicka Bomb Bomb. $4.99. Drain Damaged. Oh my goodness. 30 shots, $13.99. Shut up, Cutting Edge. Peekaboo. $13.99. 25 shots. Tequila Party. $3.75 for like a little baby pearl cake. Giggles. 7 shots, $5.99. What do? They got a little performance here or what? Shoots flaming balls. Yeah, it's probably just pearls or something. Something simple for little kiddos. Cosmic Cobalt, 9 shots, $15.99. Boss Lady, 16 shots, $11.99. Battery Barrage, 15 shots, $16. America, drinking booze and refusing to lose since 1776. A to the frickin' man. 20 bucks. Deja Blue, 16 shots, $12.99. Left to right, top to bottom, or yeah, left to right, top to bottom. Electric Lime, 12 shots. Laser Lemon, 9 shots. Neon Carrot, 12 shots. Cosmic Cobalt, 9 shots. All of them are $17.99. Oh, I'm sorry. The ones on the right are $15.99. Yeah, same thing for Radical Red and Cyber Grape. $17.99 on the left, $15.99 on the right. My phone's getting hot and starting to smell bad. Diamond Sky, 16 shots, $15.99. Thankfully, this is the last video I'm taking. Oh, but I wanted to get the window stuff. All right, I'll get the window stuff real quick. Crybaby, $3.75. Like all my haters. Aw, look at my haters. Aw, is it okay? Look at that. You're still Crybaby and you're still $3.75. Suck it, haters. He's good. $10.99. 16 shots. Light Me Up. $10.99. Don't have a lighter and no thanks. Okay. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay. These are all $3.99. All right. You can pause the video if you want. I'm just going to do a quick scan. So for, jeez, they're all 9 shots. Here we go. Left to right. Sniper, Machine, Persuasion, Pistol, Hunter, Exploder. All $3.99. All from Sunwing. All 9 shots. Bada bing, bada boom. Till the cows come home. 210 shots from Sunwing. $17.99. Tiger King. $10.99. 16 shots. Camel Kaboom. $11.99. 16 shots. Raging Ghoul. 12 shots. 12 bucks. Fireworks Tycoon. 16 shots. 12 bucks. What do we got here? Left to right, we got Texas Outlaw, Booty Chaser, 12 bucks. I don't know how many shots. Born on the Bayou, $11.99. So I don't know how many shots again. Goddess, $11.99. Texas Outlaw. Down here, Pyro Lips, $10.99. 15 shots. Crazy Cat, $9.99. Don't know how many shots again. Going around here. Where's the window stuff? Skipping Bright Star. Sorry, Bright Star. I mean, it's basically the same damn thing, but Bump Air, $9. Flabbergasted. Flabbergasted, 20 shots, $11.99. Bump Air is also 16 shots. Sorry. Have it on the channel. It's great. Supersonic, shot it before. 25 shots, $13. Great, fantastic, love it. Skedaddle by Bright Star is $21.99. 42 shots. Some down there too. Crackling Mines, $3.99. There's 7 shots a pop. Great Expectation, I moved that cake earlier, is 9 shots, $9 or $8. I'm sorry. Killer Cake, 19 shots, $11. You get a good look at them. Wizards of Oz, love the cake, fantastic. $13.99. It's all around just a great cake. It's perfect in a show. There's a bunch of whistles and cracks and fun stuff, screams and yells at you. Forget how many shots it is. My phone's getting hot. I don't have time for that. Crisscross, 16 shots, $11.99. There's more Bump Bear. Confetti Cake, 30 shots, $40. Amazing Ballet Mini. I'm so happy they came out with a mini because I tried it and I loved it. $60, 100 shots. Because 220 shots for just a bunch of stuff running back and forth just isn't that great, in my opinion. That's just my opinion, though. Angry Cowboy from Sky Bacon, $10.99 for 16 shots. 99 Red Balloons, 16 shots, $11.99. El Patron, okay, $15.99, 15 shots. Left to right here we have, I'm guessing Mummy Away. Yeah, $11.99 from Firehawk, $14.99 for Willow Forest, 25 shots. Jewelry Box, 19 shot from Sky Bacon, $16. Jamaican Bacon, $15 for 25 shots. My phone's getting really hot, so if it stops right now, I don't know what's going to happen. I'm sorry. Space Race Voyager 16 shot, $7.99, and Opportunity and Hubble. Oh, so they're all 16 shots. They're all $7.99. Then we got Neon World 18 shot, $13.99. Got the Gambler. It's $11.99, and 20 shots. And then Neon Forest is 25 shots for $13.99. Sweet Betsy is $11.99 for 12 shots. And Luck of the Irish is $13.99 for 12 shots. Rhapsody, $14.99, 14 shots. Silver Screen, $14.99, 35 shots. We got Fat Chance, $8.99 for 10 shots. Striker Serpent, 16 shots for $23.99. Got Night Vision for 105 shots and $20. Already did Luck of the Irish. We got Regal, $20, 16 shots. And Imperial, same thing. My phone just gave me a warning, say it's too hot. I know, give me 1 second. 24 shots. Pipe Dream, $13.99. Matrix Pyro, $15.99, 16 shots. Suspended Animation, 25 shots, $15.99. Instant Replay is 12 shots, $14.99. I'm sorry if I'm going too fast. Magnificent Festival, 25 shots, $15.99. Evil Enemy is $15.99, 36 shots. Bling Bling, $15.99, 36 shots. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in. Love you all, and I will see you in the next one.